In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get stash in Blackout Revival. So the actual currency of Blackout Revival is stash, and this currency you can use it to actually purchase things from there. It's used to purchase virtually everything in the game, which is the main form of currency, and it unlocks when the cash stored in your cache. So from there, you can get lunar credits as well as spirit shards for the first anniversary events. So shards are limited currency, so do take note of that as well, and they can be obtained by turning in bounty cards or influence at the event and PC the collector to buy your combat inhaler. You can also get shards from Azure Combat Inhaler, Blade Dancer Helmet, and the likes. However, do take note that this shop is closed and cannot be accessed anymore. So to get more stash, you just need to get mining and make sure that you win around there, get valuables, and exchange it from the brokers. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.